Oh, hello. Happy Wednesday. I'm on Cyprus right now traveling, and yeah, I just wanted to give you a brief update of what's happening. We have new all-time highs in the markets, in the equity markets, and so Bitcoin is also quite bullish. So that's the reason I wanted to start with this. Bitcoin looks quite great and does, at least right now, what kind of anticipated. We are coming into this area of 80,000. Okay, so we need to see if the market will be strong enough to push further. Next target to the upside would be this year. Okay, this 85,000, and realistically, honestly, I think that this could be it. To the upside, at least in the short term, we are still here, kind of move to more bullishness. Equity markets look bullish, so if you would extend a move to the upside, it might go to this 85, and then I don't see a lot of more potential, to be honest. In the end, you never know, but we are entering our target zone, and hopefully market will move higher. When we look at Ethereum, kind of similar picture. We basically bounced a little bit below this 2,500 level. I still believe that we can move a little bit higher, that we are able to go to this 2,600, 2,750 area. And then again here, we need to see downtrend here is still in place. Again, looks a little bit different than Bitcoin. And overall, we need to see if the market is strong enough. It's lagging compared to Bitcoin. Okay, when we look at Bitcoin, we've moved up here already. Ethereum hasn't broken that structure yet. So we need more strength, and even weaker here is Solana. And Solana still kind of does what we anticipated, but it takes forever. And when stuff takes forever, it kind of increases the uncertainty, but that's, I guess, something normal. But the pattern is still in place, and yeah, looks not too shabby. And that's about the crypto market. Okay, I don't want to go deeper into let's say the second row or tier 2 coins, because not too much goes on. For me, Casper is important, but again, as you can see, yeah, looks flatlined, quite dead. Let's talk about this. Okay, let's talk about the most beautiful stuff here. I had two losers in a row. Didn't expect that the market would be so strong. Stopped out once, stopped out twice. Happens, I guess, and there's nothing to avoid here. But as you can see, fundamentally a crazy strength in the market. We are on day 6 and 22 days or 16 trading days. We've moved up 13% in the S&P, which is again crazy. Will it stop? I don't know. Is it overextended? Yes. But this year, the all-time high helps to attract more buyers. Okay, and if there's, let's say, an all-time high, there will be more buyers coming into the market, because again, it could be cheap in the long term. Same picture here in the Nasdaq, and we made a new all-time high today. So we just reached the 27,000. Yeah, I'm still baffled how this can all work, but we can see here in 16 trading days we've rallied 17%. Can we rally 20%? Yes, we can. Okay, no doubt we can go higher, 28,000, whatever it is. And I don't need to understand, and you also don't need to understand. The only thing is what we need to know, hey, there is brutal dynamic. Will we at some stage trade below here? Yes, we will, but I don't want to, it's so tough to find a perfect timing here. My ideal scenario would be that we really go higher, and then I would love to find another try on the short side. Okay, just to talk about this, and just to, when we remember this, I tried to find a short trade here as well. It didn't play out as well, so it's kind of tough time trading for me, and I think this will happen. Day trading, prop trading kind of works, but on the swing side it was a little bit tougher. Risk management is key, and if you're down a little bit, it doesn't really matter a lot. Dow Jones as well looks positive, but still, as you can see, lagging, and that's the reason why the S&P is lagging. And yeah, and this will be, I would say, the decision maker. If the Dow cannot really move higher, the Nasdaq at some stage will pull back as well. Russell, all-time high? Yeah, all-time high, pushed higher, but again, looks a little bit like it could be it for the short term. Okay, kind of happened here what we expected, came back, sweep to the downside, and now we will go higher. As said, this was a perfect bounce. Kind of crazy how often this works. Was a tough day as well to enter, but in the end it was a perfect scenario to get involved in gold. I think it's still we need more time. I still believe in gold that we probably need to spend more time in the horizontal, meaning that most likely we will have another leg down and then a little bit more sideways and then go higher. That's my game plan for now. This is what I believe. Not a lot more to add. There hasn't been any really big other news next to that. German FDAX also lagging. So we need to really see if the standard indexes like the Dow and the DAX will follow, or that the Nasdaq tech-driven market will push higher. Right now, it still looks like actually like a meme stock, yeah, a meme coin. But as you can see, stuff can go longer as we think, and we enjoy the ride. Having said that, guys, I wish you a beautiful day. I've reached 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I have to admit, running a YouTube channel is way harder than trading, I believe. So don't give up. I'm wishing you a great day, great evening, and all the best. Goodbye.